Tired of your stunning iPhone photos looking like pixelated mush when you send them on WhatsApp? Let's dive into a quick fix to ensure your friends and family receive your pictures in all their high-quality glory. First, open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Then, tap on the settings icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, scroll down and select storage and data. This is where we'll find the key to unlocking high-quality image sharing. Now, look for the option labeled Media Upload Quality and tap on it. You'll see three options here: Auto Recommended, Best Quality, and Data Saver. Select Best Quality. Tap the back arrow in the top left corner to return to the Storage and Data Settings menu. And then tap it again to go back to the main settings screen. That's it. Now, the next time you send a photo through WhatsApp, it will be sent in the best possible quality, preserving all those details you captured. See the difference? Enjoy sharing your amazing iPhone photos without sacrificing quality.